The coloring page that you can see is available on my Etsy store. You can order it and download it anytime. I'm going to show you now how to make a coloring page. It is a kawaii style. It is a boat. It is 30 beautiful illustrated kawaii style of different subjects like airplanes and boats, fishes, and many more. As you can see in our sample at the opening part of this drawing. So now, here it is, the boat. You can copy it, and if it is too fast, you can pause it so that you can also make a coloring page like this. Enjoy! Okay guys, we are going to color now our coloring page. I bought these coloring pens at the local bookstore. Also, I'm going to put the link of these coloring pens at the description. Please look at it, and you can also buy it from our local supplier. Okay, I will let my daughter color this one.
Okay, I'm gonna color the boat. Okay, so I'm gonna use the orange. I'm also gonna use the red. Okay. And apply the orange.
Yeah, when coloring guys, you have to color the outer part first before you color the inside.
Okay, now the other ones and the orange too.
thank you guys for watching. We will be having a next coloring page and it is about Noah.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Bye bye.
Bye. Subscribe.